Well, welcome to the third property on our little road trip. And for me, we've got the church behind, but you can't see the view, which I'm going to share with you in a minute. But there's a beautiful view down the valley. You can see the Dordogne, and across to here is where the other three properties are that we've been showing you, just over there. So we've literally just come across the river, and Beaulieu is down there. We're now in the little village which is part of it. We just come over the Dordogne, church behind us. This beautiful village house that's here. When I look at it, and I'm going to take you inside, it could well have been the priest's house for the church that was here. But the view, the sun is beaming down, it's just after lunch, and the view through there is gorgeous. It's mid-30s today, it's stunning, and I'm really looking forward to getting inside that house, which looks a lot cooler than it is out here. Well, once inside the door, and even just with the door open, the one thing that strikes you, not only about this house, but about the situation, it is so quiet. It is beautifully quiet, and you've got some stunning views, and you've got the church there. But when you come in through the door, and what also attracts you is that beautiful staircase. You can tell that's the original staircase. It's just got so many stories to tell, and particularly you come into this room as well, and this fireplace that is here. Now, I don't know if this is attached to the church in any way. Again, chatting to the agent, we're not too sure, but it has that feel that it might well have. And I know when I was looking down in the cellar as well, you always look for one of those little doors that probably goes to the church, and was always an escape route, and I've seen that in a couple of other properties we've looked at. So I do like it, and it's light and it's airy. And then we come across, then we go into the kitchen area. The kitchen's all been put out, and again, that's a big area for the kitchen. You've got that kitchen, you can imagine there's a really nice dining table in there as well, and you could just see yourself enjoying both this room and that room, eating, drinking, and then coming into here with this gorgeous fire going as well. So I really like it when you come in. It has that lovely sort of feel of a really nice family home. Let's go and have another little explore upstairs. We now come up onto the first floor, and what really strikes me is again still the history. Behind me is this wonderful fireplace with the original carvings just above it as well, and that's really lovely to me. I do love that. It's just got that feeling in here as well. So on this floor we've got three rooms, and I'm calling them three rooms because this particular one we're in would be a lovely bedroom. You've got these beautiful windows looking out, you've got those going out into a little balcony as well. You can see the church from there. But I think this would make an amazing study, and I think this is what it was, because you can look in the bookcases there as well. So then you can say you've got two other rooms, so two big bedrooms, one at the front, one at the back, and then you've also got the bathroom as well for this floor. Everything here is light, airy and big, so you can definitely get everything into there. Now you can rearrange things around a little bit if you want, but I do like the way this is set up. So this is a proper classic family house. Come up through the stairs, more bedrooms, and then again when we go to the second floor, you'll see a little bit more. Well, here we are on the second floor, the top of the house, well, nearly the top of the house. And this particular room I love. This is my favourite room in the whole house. And the reason for that is there's lots of lovely beams that are here, and you've got a stunning view out to there, you really have. And on this second floor, you've got three bedrooms and a bathroom. And then what you've also got above, you've also got the attic space as well. I can't quite clamber up there today, but you've got the attic space for lots of storage that's up there. You've also then got a little linen room as well. You've actually got two linen cupboards that are up here in terms of that. So I do love it up here. Now remember, with this property, one of the key things for me is you've got not only the 3 stories, you've got downstairs as well. So you've got that cellar area, utility area. So it's a big area downstairs in terms of what you've got. I love this property in terms of it being a family home, and I think it would be a great family home. But if you wanted to do something else with it, then probably you could look at a chambre d'hôte. Again, approval, planning, etc, etc. But you could also look at this from a chambre d'hôte because of what it's got here, and it's got the parking, and you've got the views and where it's located and situated. All of that ticks the boxes. But what that also does, it slightly negates the need to have the garden actually as part of the house, because the garden here isn't. It's literally 30 seconds down the road. Can't show it you. There are weeds galore. So it would make a great veg patch as well, but it's not attached to the house. You need to understand that. But what you've also got, you've got a couple of balcony areas, and also up on this floor, that view out there. And you will see the view now. The view is going to appear miraculously on screen. You can see that gorgeous view. So this house has got so much going for it. So let's quickly recap. Downstairs, we've got the utility and the cellar area. Really nice, could probably actually really make a nice little games room as well if you wanted. You then come on to the sort of ground first floor, whatever you want to call it, but let's call it the ground floor. You come in through that big door, come into the kitchen, big kitchen dining area. Then also you've got that sitting room as well. It's all slightly sort of open plan, but it all marries in together, and it's got that bit of history, and the fireplace is huge and lovely. First floor, you've got what can be family bedrooms, and also that room that could be a bedroom, but it is now a study, and I would say would make a great study. You've obviously got the bathroom there as well. And then we come up to the second floor that we're on now. Second floor, 3 bedrooms, shared bathroom as well, and then we can go to the attic. So when you look at that classic French family house, so you can come up all the way through it. Situation here is lovely, car parking outside, the church, it's quiet, it's light, it's area, it's situated. And for €200,000, this is a bargain, let me tell you, particularly where we are. So if you take the garden out of it, 200,000 is a great price for this. If you're serious about something in France, second home, living here permanently, doing a business, this house should seriously be looked at. Really hope you've enjoyed today's episode, and please click the subscribe button to watch this and lots of other programs that we bring you. We bring you 2 properties per week. We bring you a French lesson every week. We bring you stories and so much more. Remember to go to our website, anewlifeinfrance.com. See you next time.